EdTech with Howard and Feck here with another quick tech tip, a little video on formulas and functions in Google Sheets. There are all kinds of formulas and functions that can be done within Google Sheets. For instance, let's just say that I want a total of my numbers for Monday. All formulas and functions need to start with an equals. I'm going to choose the cell with the first number, type in plus, choose the second cell, click enter, and it will add it for me. Maybe I want to know the difference between my numbers between 2 days. So once again, wherever I want the answer to be in the cell, I click at the cell where I want my answer. I start off with equals. I choose my first cell. I do my minus. The next cell, press enter, and now I have subtracted. So you can subtract, you can add. Maybe I want to do a function where I total up a sum for the whole week. So I could do equals SUM for sum. And when I click on that sum, you'll notice it gives me this open parentheses. So I'm going to choose the range of cells that I want it to add up. I close my parentheses and I press enter. Now I can copy this formula because we can see the formula up here. So I select the cell. I'm going to do a Control C for copy. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to Control V, and you'll notice it takes the cells from here. I can also do a mean. So if I do equals average, click on the average, you'll notice it open parentheses. So now I want to average this cell, comma, this cell here, and click on this one, close my parentheses. So I've chosen G4 and G8. Notice I have to have a parentheses between them. Click OK, and there's my average. I also can do mode for the most common. Click on mode, choose this range of cells here. I'm going to put a comma there because I want to choose this range of cells also. Close my parentheses, press enter. So 45 is the number that was used, or the value that was used the most. I can also do median, choose my range of cells, and press enter. So lots of different formulas and functions that you can work with.